23 regions of Madagascar. It's bizarre, we're an island country in the Indian Ocean called Madagascar. I'm the Diana region in the north, you can see. My name is Seva, and I'm in the northeast. Eat the seeds in the center of this mysterious country. And our humongous just north, shaped like a shark tooth I be. Vakinankaratra is a region of Madagascar. Bongalava's in the center of this country, you went so far. On Sofia in the northern part, touching Mozambique Channel. Booney sits in the dip on the upper west coast on the original panel. Pitsibuka is my name, I'm in the north central here. Melaki is touching the Mozambique Channel over there. Alontramongo is a very long region, you know. Atsinanana is a region along the east coast. Analangirobo touches the Indian Ocean. Amahonimania is my name, this is where I span. Umatsietra is in the south central part of this country. Pitovinani is my regional name in the east, you see. Hello there, my name's Vatovavi. Atsimo Atsinanana is a region located in the southeast. I'm Iorambe, I hope you like the shape that you see. Mena Bay is in the west of Madagascar. Atsimo Angrofana is a very large region so far. Angwa is my name, I'm the southmost tip. My name is Anusi, I've heard I'm quite hip. I am Madagascar of the east coast of Africa. And Tananarivo is my capital, I showed ya. You don't have to look far to find the 23 regions of Madagascar. It's bizarre, we're an island country in the Indian Ocean called Madagascar.